Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can reset and clear formatting in Google Sheets. So here I've already opened my file, a document on Google Sheets, and I have this alternating colors on my file or my table in here. And if you want to reset the format or the coloring format, in this case you can just block the data that you want to reset and then go to format in here, and at the bottom you'll find there's an option to clear formatting. So just click on this option, and just like that your data will become like a new data like this. So you can either do that, or you can also use a shortcut in your keyboard. So if you go to format, this is the shortcut. You can just use the control and the reverse slash icon in your keyboard. Let's try. I'm going to click on control. Okay, so just like that it will reset the formatting. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.